friends, it's Chumsy Mumsy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I recently went shopping at Pottery Barn and got some fall neutral color Decor Inspo. And I know that the seasons are starting to change, but I had not decorated my house for fall yet. And at the nudging of my younger daughter, I decided that now it is time. So I was really impressed and fell in love with a lot of the decor that I saw, and so I decided it was time to get out my box of fall decorations, and I'm going to show you at the end of the video a little house tour of how I put my decorations around. And I really don't go big with my decor for fall. I just like little pops of neutral color, and I think that my decorations are very subtle, and that's the way I like it, because I used to have huge pops of color in other places that I've lived, and now it's just really soothing and calming to me to have the little pops of the neutral decor. And here we go. The Pottery Barn near my house was decorated like my dream fall house. I just loved all of the neutral colors, the combination of the dried florals with the earthenware vases, and the combination of like earthy elements like branches with fuzzy fabrics and pillows. I just felt like I was in heaven, and I loved everything that I saw. A lot of this will just speak for itself. The combo of the black and the white and the beige is so soothing. This reminds me of a sheep. I love these woven placemats with the black and the white. And I love a good woven pumpkin. And I loved these beaded glasses. I just thought they were really pretty. I'd love to have a set of those. And last but not least, I love this little sheep skin type of chair. I just thought that'd be really pretty around a natural wood table. So here is my box of fall decor that I have opened up so that I can see everything that I have. And I actually decided to move away from those bright orange pumpkins, the chenille pumpkins. I actually gave those away in the Buy Nothing group on Facebook with a couple of candles, and somebody was really happy to get them. I'm going to stick more with the muted colors in my decor. Here is Precious welcoming you to the fall neutral color decor tour. And making his cameo is Oliver the tuxedo cat. I'm telling you, my cats are very popular on YouTube. I love to decorate this grapevine wreath for the holidays and the seasons. As you can see, I didn't really go crazy. I just like a few touches here and there. For example, I put a few pumpkins on my little tray display, changed out the candle to a salted caramel candle because it's more fall color. And then here and there in my cabinets, I might have thrown in like a little pumpkin or a little gnome here and there. Probably no one else besides me knows that those things are in there. I changed up the flowers in there from lavender to some fall colored flowers, but I like knowing that I have these little fall pieces in there. There's my little gnomey. Oh, now you can't see him. Now you can. Over here I changed out my eucalyptus with some fall colored fake eucalyptus, and then put out my pumpkin sign that I got at a thrift store and just switched the colors up. I threw in a dried sunflower into this little vase with my dried florals. On the little tray where we keep our remotes, I just threw in a little ceramic house and a pumpkin. And on my mantle, very minimally, I added a little green truck with a pumpkin and a gnome. I guess the older I get, I like to keep things kind of the same way all year round and then just change them very minimally for the season. But that's kind of enough to get me in the mood. Here's my little owl, my chenille pumpkin, and my table runner was already kind of those fall colors. And then on my wreath, I just found these little pumpkins that clip on, and that's really fun. I have another little gnome, and this is my coffee station, and I fold this up a little bit. I have my cinnamon and my chocolate that you can sprinkle on top of your coffee. That always makes it taste extra yummy. And then I added another dried sunflower to my dried flowers. In my windowsill, I like to add something to my fake flowers, my fake plants, and then I switch out things in this galvanized tray. The last thing I had in there was lemons for the summer, but I like to throw in my pumpkins. That's fun to look at. And then these dried flowers, I got these from my workplace, from a plant that we had there. So this is pretty much it. I wanted to show you these flowers again. I just think these are so pretty, and they come out from this plant called Mediterranean stevia, and that's the plant at work. And you can see some of those little dried balls that I cut off the plant, and I just think they're so lovely dried. For the first time, I'm doing some minimal decor in some of the bedrooms. I added that wreath to the mirror in our bedroom. And then I have another wreath. I need to buy some more little clip-on pumpkins. And in my older daughter's room, I added a little stand for her fall candle and some fall flowers. Well, thanks everyone for joining me today on my fall neutral color Decor Inspo and house tour. See you in the next one.